You see ads everywhere promising easy Bitcoin profits from a platform called CT Pool, showing dashboards full of mining rewards, instant payouts, and high returns with almost zero effort. It looks convincing, almost too convincing. But is CT Pool real Bitcoin mining, or just fake mining designed to take your money? Welcome to GigaBits, where we break down trending crypto platforms so you can avoid scams and choose what's actually safe. Today we're investigating CT Pool to see if it's legitimate or if you should stay far away. I tested CT Pool using multiple accounts, researched its domain history, checked user reports, and compared the platform's claims to how real Bitcoin mining actually works. I also analyzed payout structures, wallet activity, and mining difficulty numbers. Across all tests, something became clear. CT Pool's behavior doesn't match real mining operations. Many users also report blocked withdrawals, disappearing balances, and fake dashboards that show inflated earnings. Still, before jumping to conclusions, we need to break down how real mining works and compare it to what CT Pool offers. CT Pool claims to let anyone start mining instantly with cloud-based hardware. No noise, no heat, no expensive equipment, just pay a fee, activate a mining plan, and watch your rewards grow daily. The platform shows highly polished dashboards, real-time earnings, and payout previews. But here's the problem. True Bitcoin mining requires massive hardware costs, electricity expenses, and complex setups. So when a platform promises huge returns with no fees and guaranteed profits, that's already a major red flag. Let's investigate piece by piece to see where CT Pool stands. Step 1. Mining transparency and hardware proof. Legitimate mining companies show photos, videos, energy contracts, or blockchain addresses that verify they own real hardware. CT Pool provides none of this. No facility photos, no ASIC machine details, no location disclosure, and no proof of hash rate. Everything depends on trust, not evidence. Step 2. Unrealistic profits. CT Pool shows daily earnings far higher than actual mining profitability. Real mining returns fluctuate based on Bitcoin difficulty and energy costs. CT Pool's numbers stay perfectly stable, which is impossible unless the data is fabricated. Step 3. Blockchain verification. Real mining pools show public mining activity tied to known wallets. CT Pool does not show any verified blockchain addresses, making it impossible to confirm whether they mine anything at all. Step 4. Withdrawal issues. Many users report that small withdrawals work, but larger ones get disabled, delayed, or blocked with excuses like security verification required. This pattern is common in fake mining platforms. Pay small amounts to appear trustworthy, then trap users when the balance grows. Step 5. Domain age and operator identity. CT Pool's domain history is extremely recent, and the company behind it has no registered business information. Real mining firms always register legally due to the scale of their operations. So, is CT Pool real Bitcoin mining or fake? Based on all evidence, the lack of transparency, the unrealistic profits, the unverifiable mining data, and widespread withdrawal complaints, CT Pool behaves exactly like a fake mining platform. Nothing suggests the existence of real mining hardware, but everything suggests simulated dashboards designed to make users deposit more money. If you're looking for legitimate ways to earn Bitcoin, CT Pool is not the place to do it. If this investigation helped you understand the truth behind CT Pool, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We break down crypto platforms and apps every week, so you stay safe online. Hit the like button if this saved you from a bad investment, and leave a comment telling me if you've tried CT Pool or any similar platform. Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we help you navigate crypto with clarity and confidence.